fix Microsoft Teams camera not working, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. To make sure that your Microsoft Teams camera is not working and you want to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to any strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reason that your camera is not working. The next thing which you need to do is that you just need to open settings on the device, and from here you just need to search for the app Teams or Microsoft Teams. So you need to search that, and you just need to open the app and go on the permission section, and you just need to make sure that you have given permission to the camera. So if you have not given permission to the camera, then that may also be the reason that your camera is not working. So you just need to click on the option of allow while only using the app to give permission to the camera, and you just need to make sure to try and use the camera again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device for once, and that will surely help you to fix the problem of camera not working. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.